up, guys? SpantyCat101 here. Today, we are going to be unboxing Lego Set 25214. This is also known as Anakin's Jedi Starfighter. This set comes with 247 pieces. It is ages 7 to 12 and comes with two characters, Anakin Skywalker and R2-D2. I think this is going to be a good set. Just the initial look of the set, and I just feel like it's going to be good. Just because the details right there, and it has the stud shooters, which I really enjoy, though I like the other ones better. You know, the ones where you flick it and then it like shoots out. I really like those a lot better, but I like the stud shooters. They just get lost really easily. But I hope this is a good Lego set, so let's get on to the build. I've been building for a while, and I finally got it done. I've had lots of delays during this video. It's been a wreck. But right here we have Anakin's Jedi Starfighter. We have Anakin in the cockpit, and we also have R2-D2. Wait, does Anakin has two flip faces. I'm so dumb. One face is like angry, and the other is like calm. I don't know. But like, the detail on the ship is pretty cool. Like the Republic sign right here, and the two thrusters. Also the stud shooters shoot, but I'm not gonna shoot them because I do not want to lose the studs. I have a problem. I shot some stud shooters at my brother once, and I lost them. And I'm like, oh come on, I don't have too many studs. It's like I'm not a Lego freak. I don't have every single piece, so. Practically, I think this is a good set. I would recommend it for a Christmas gift or like something for somebody who likes Legos in your family. But if you like this video, go down and subscribe, hit the bell icon, and like the video. Leave a comment down below of what I should do next. Like, make it in the $40 price range. Like, I can't do like 70 or 100 unless I get enough money, and then I would do it, but I can't do any right now because it is Christmas time. That means gifts are starting to come in, and I've already recommended the Lego sets that I really want, so I'll do unboxings of those, and there will be a ton of them. And if you like this video, go down in the description below and go watch the September video. I really liked enjoying doing that. Go subscribe to Smokey Stump. I think it's a YouTube channel. I'm not sure. I have to make sure with him. But it's Smokey Stump with an I and an E. And I hope you enjoyed the video. And like always, wear your seatbelt. Boom.